of recognition is hereby given to in recognition of his dedication, commitment, and exceptional performance as a distinguished member of the Board of Judges during the 2025 search for Miss Katubigan Festival. His expertise, fairness, and invaluable contributions have greatly enhanced the credibility and success of this competition. Awarded this 4th day of August 2025 by Barangay Lugi, Labo Camarines Norte. Signed by Event Coordinator Mr. Marvin Livella. Signed by Committee Chair on Tourism Tagawa Rowena S. Ibis, and signed by Puno Barangay Honorable Sonia V. Rala. This certificate of recognition is given to Honorable Norman John Oco. Thank you so much. Same certificate of recognition is also awarded to Mr. Arjun Sapanta.